Welcome to Standard Chartered India Money Insights, a podcast series that brings you topical insights and local perspectives on India's markets from the experts.
Hello everyone, welcome to another episode of What is Driving the Market, a podcast where we look at key market events and address key questions that could be on investors' mind. Hi, I'm Vinay Joseph, the host for this episode of the podcast. Now, Indian equities have underperformed global and emerging market equities by over 10 and 21% respectively since the start of 2025, amid a slowdown in earnings growth, elevated relative valuations to peers, and sharp FII outflows of close to $18 billion YTD 2025. So the key question on investors' mind is, could we see a reversal of this recent underperformance likely? In our view, yes, given three factors. First, valuations are turning attractive. MSCI India, the global benchmark Indian index, is trading at a 45% premium to both emerging markets and Asia ex-Japan equities on a 12-month forward PE. This is down from 65% and 75% respectively at the start of 2025. The current premium is lower than its 10-year historical average, suggesting that valuations are not much of a headwind as they were at the start of the year. Second, earnings are improving at the margin. In our view, consensus estimates of 12% Nifty EPS growth over fiscal year 2025 to 2027 appears reasonable and pricing in downside risks. EPS estimates have started to stabilize amid a slew of policy measures to support growth, indicating bottoming of earnings. Further, domestic equities are supported by other profitability measures like return on equity, which remains far ahead of major peers. Lastly, low foreign investor positioning. Now, given the sharp FII outflows we have seen this year YTD, FII positioning towards Indian equities is close to multi-decadal lows, with India among the largest consensus underweight market among both global and emerging asset allocators. So overall, we feel that conditions are ripe for a reversal of this recent underperformance. And that's why we stay overweight equities in our foundation allocation for our India portfolio. That's all for this podcast. If you like a copy of the report, please reach out to the relationship manager, or you can find it on our website www.sc.co or on SC Invest. If you like the podcast, please like and subscribe. Thank you.
Thank you for listening to Standard Chartered India Money Insights. Stay tuned for the latest updates and market trends by subscribing to our podcast. For more information, reach out to your Standard Chartered Relationship Manager or visit www.sc.com/in.